Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined us today. We've got a fantastic recipe for you today, barbecue pulled jackfruit, and we know you're going to enjoy it. Our ingredients are green jackfruit, onion powder, bullion powder, coconut oil, chili powder, 1 onion, and barbecue sauce. First of all, we're going to slice our onions thinly and put them to one side. Next, we're going to squeeze off the water off the jackfruit, and then we're going to make sure we get all that excess water off it and place it into a bowl. Then going to add our onions into the bowl with all of our seasonings and start to mix that together. When mixing together, we want to make sure that we use the fork in such a way to give the jackfruit that pulled effect. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into the bowl, and then we're going to add the barbecue sauce, and we're going to mix that in thoroughly so that all of the jackfruit pieces are thoroughly covered with barbecue sauce. Then we're going to place our barbecue jackfruit onto a lined baking tray, and then we're going to place this in the oven at gas mark 6 for 30 minutes, checking it often and stirring it a little. After 30 minutes, we're going to take it out of the oven, add some more barbecue sauce, put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes because we want it to become quite crisp, but yet still tender. It's a great recipe for a sandwich filler, and it could be topped off with salad or coleslaw in a nice bun. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you use any of the videos, remember to tag me on Instagram and please follow on all of our social media pages. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment below for what videos you'd like to see, and see you next Thursday. Bye.